everyone. I am Fatima Hasna from Madrid, currently living in Maldives. I am thankful for the chance to study Diploma in English at HIBC campus. The course was great and easy to follow, and also the course was well structured and engaging. I want to thank my instructors for their help and support. They explained things clearly and gave me useful feedbacks. Through this English course journey, I have learned a lot and improved my English skills very well. Especially, I would like to thank the Afrat sir for his valuable advisor and support. And also, I want to thank the helpline service. Whenever I had questions, they helped me answering quickly and solved all my problems. I am happy with my learning experiences and I am grateful to everyone who helped me throughout this journey. And also, I am highly recommending everyone who are eagerly waiting to do a course can join HIBC campus for their successful future. Again, I am thank you HIBC campus for providing me a good learning environment. And also, I am proud to say that I am an HIBC student. Thank you.